As part of counter-battery fighting, one platoon of Uragan multiple launch rocket systems have been destroyed at firing positions near Konstantinovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 11 command posts, 102 areas of artillery units at firing positions, as well as 123 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. Russian fighters have shot down 3 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force in the air, namely one Su-25 and one Su-24 near Novoukrainka and Barvenkova in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as one MiG-29 near Bashtanka in Nikolaev region. Russian air defense means have shot down another Su-25 of Ukrainian Air Force near Shirokaya, Nikolaev region. Also, air defense means have shot down 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Dibrovnaya, Glubokaya, Lukyantsy, Brashkovka, Liptsy, Peshchanoe in Kharkov region, Snegirovka in Nikolaev region, and Karpovka in Donetsk People's Republic. 5 Ukrainian .U ballistic missiles have been intercepted over Vysula at Tarasovka, Pokrovskoye, Konstantinovka, Lysychansk in Lugansk People's Republic, and Kostyrka in Kherson region. 18 projectiles of Uragan multiple launch rocket launcher have been shot down in the air near Topolskaya, Dolginkoye, Suligovka in Kharkov region, Kartsysk, Avdeevka, Karpovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Rodakova, Smeloe, Zimogorye, Lotikova in Lugansk People's Republic, and Lugansk City. In total, 247 Ukrainian airplanes and 137 helicopters, 1,522 unmanned aerial vehicles, 354 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,050 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 744 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,145 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,192 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.